Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine and today I want to show you this nice soft glam for Valentine's Day. I just want to create something simple for the eyes and have a bold lip like that you can share, go with your significant other or your day night out with your girlfriends and have a great day for Valentine's. I hope you guys enjoy this look, and if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. And before you continue watching, please don't forget to subscribe, like that you're notified every time I upload a video. So I already moisturized my face with my favorite Dior moisturizer like I have shown throughout my videos. Now I'm gonna prime my skin with this primer. Is the Too Faced primer right there, and it's for to have a matte skin. I'm just gonna get a little bit, rub this and apply it right here. Only in my T-zone, because my T-zone is the oiliest place in my skin. And then I'm gonna use this Too Faced foundation in light beige. Two pumps should be okay. I'm gonna spread this with my hands. Now I'm gonna get my favorite foundation brush from with collaboration with Ulta, like I mentioned before, and my Mary Badescu spray. I like to spray it so I could feel hydrated, and then blend this. For concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shade Tape concealer. It's a full coverage concealer, as many you know, and I'm in the shade Medium Honey. I like it because it gives me a lot of coverage under my eyes, which I have a lot of under eye problem, the dark circles problem. I'm just gonna apply a little bit because a little bit is enough and it gives a lot of coverage. I just want a natural coverage. And here, because we're gonna apply some eyeshadow. There you go. I love it. It's so bright and fresh. I feel awake and at the same time, like I said, bright and awake. To set my face, my under eyes, I'm gonna use the Too Faced Sweet Peach powder, translucent powder. I have been using this a lot. It's my favorite. I go from this one into the Laura Mercier translucent powder. They're both my favorite. So I'm gonna use this brush. Now for the eyes, I'm gonna go straight to the eyes. I'm gonna use some Luxie brush set that are like this. And to apply my eyeshadow. They're so nice. Look how pretty they look. With gold and glitter accent. I love them. They look really nice. So for this, I'm gonna use my Soft Glam Anastasia palette. I'm gonna use this first shade right here. It's called Tempera. And I'll get this fluffy brush and apply this to my entire lid. There you go. And then I just want to do something very soft for Valentine, like something very soft, and put a little bold lip. And then so I'm gonna take this Dusty Rose shade right there, and apply this like out of my outer V. Just like that. Something soft and purpley. And I'm gonna get this nice little rose pink shadow right here. And apply this to my lid. I'm gonna apply with my finger because it's more pigmented. There you go. I'm gonna just get a little bit of the same dusty pink, dusty rose, and just blend everything. There you go. Tempera again this shade and put it to my brow bone. And I'm gonna get glycerine, that shade, and put it under my inner corner. To finish the face, I just want to warm up my skin a little bit, so I'm gonna get this Cheek Paradise palette from Benefit, and I'm gonna get the Hoola bronzer. Now for blush, I'm gonna use this Lancome Rose Fresky blush, and this is a pink shade, and for my brows, I'm gonna use this Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in shade dark brown. It's super soft. I like the way my soft pink looks, the eye looks. For my lips, I'm gonna use this red lip. It's from Rimmel London, and the shade, I will put it down below because it's scratched off already. And this liquid lipstick is from Stila in Beso. My lip line my lips. That's that. And now I'm gonna use the liquid lipstick. This is a very creamy consistency. There's always one side that looks weird. Use this Cover FX setting spray. I forgot my mascara. I'm gonna use this Cosmetic Hero mascara. Superhero mascara. This is my final look. I hope you guys enjoy this pink soft eye look with a bold lip. For your Valentine Day, your to go on a date, a girls' night out for Valentine, or with your significant other. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you enjoy the look, and if you would like to see more of makeup like this. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and comment down below. Like that you could be notified every time I upload a video and you won't miss out on my next video. That is everything. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you in my next video.